Silphium was an ancient herb, and the Greeks and Romans were totally obsessed with this plant. They would cut its stalk and drain the sap out, and they would use that sap for, condiments for sauces. It was kind of a cure-all medicine. Silphium resin eventually became worth its weight in silver or gold. Thousands of pounds of it were stored in the Roman treasury, and eventually they loved it so much that, as the story goes, they ate it to extinction. I was telling a professor the story, Professor Paul Robertson, after class, and he immediately was like, you should write a paper about this, and I'll do it with you. So the main findings of the article were that climate change in Libya had driven Silphium's extinction, which goes against the current theory that it was overconsumed, overharvested by the Greeks and Romans. It was based on a few different factors. First, we had to prove that the climate did change, and we argued that it was driven by deforestation and cropland expansion. As the cities were expanding there, Silphium's native range was really being infringed, and the deforestation lowered the rainfall. And then the other aspect was showing that Silphium required very specific conditions to germinate. Those factors combined led us to believe that the expansion of the cities in Libya at that time and the deforestation really drove the plant to extinction.